My name is Parker Duwelius, and I'm an account executive here at Elevate K-12. From my first day as an SDR, it took 7 months to become an AE. I really wanted to build some new skills that are a little bit more marketable in today's kind of world. And teaching was really difficult during the pandemic, so I wanted something new, the flexibility of working from home. There was a lot of benefits to coming into sales. This is kind of a weird one. I fly drones pretty often, do some drone racing, so you could bet that I would win a race. My work bestie is Noah Lewis. Started on the same day as me, moved up to AE at the same time as me, so it's been awesome growing with him. The tough one. I love the Kirkland frozen pizzas from Costco. My TED Talk would be about moving away from teaching into kind of a more corporate role. It's something I've been talking to a lot of people about, and I think I'm pretty well versed in it at this point. Elevate K-12 is exciting. It's an exciting place to work.